Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best fabric clearance is probably one of the most exciting events for any sewing enthusiast. It's a treasure hunt of textures, patterns, and colors, all waiting to be transformed into something amazing. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a beginner, the thrill of discovering high-quality fabrics at reduced prices is undeniable. So, let's dive into the world of fabric clearance and uncover some hidden gems. Number 5. Robert Kaufman Kona Cotton Black Fabric. Introducing the Kona Cotton Black Fabric from Robert Kaufman Fabrics. This versatile fabric is perfect for a variety of projects. Made from 100% Kona cotton broadcloth, it weighs 4.35 ounces per square yard. It's ideal for quilting, apparel, and many other uses. This fabric has been tested for harmful substances. It has the Confidence in Textile certification, ensuring its safety. It's easy to care for. Simply machine wash it cold and tumble dry on low. The fabric is 44 inches wide and sold by the yard. You can order the exact amount you need for your project. What we like. This Kona cotton fabric is perfect for all your quilting and apparel needs. It's also been rigorously tested for safety, so you can rest assured. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality fabric for your next project, this is a great choice. What people say. Kona fabric is great for quilting. Good quality. It is very, very good quality, weight and texture, and the solid black is vivid. This fabric was cut straighter than the local fabric shop's cut. Very pleased with the quality and the color. Number 4. 2-yard white cotton fabric, 59 inches wide. This fabric is made from 100% white combed cotton. It's 59 inches wide and comes in a 2-yard length. The high-quality material is softer than typical muslin. Feel the difference with this fabric's silky texture. It's incredibly soft, making it perfect for various projects. The fabric weight is about 130 grams per square meter. This cotton poplin is ideal for cutting, costumes, and decorations. It's easy to iron and safe for kids, making it great for crafts and sewing. Use it for apparel and more. The fabric is designed for easy use in many craft projects. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and sewers of all levels. You'll love working with it. Caring for this fabric is simple. Just machine wash it cold and tumble dry it on low. This will keep it looking its best. What we like. This white cotton fabric offers a luxurious feel that's softer than typical muslin. Its wide width gives you more flexibility for your projects. If you're looking for a fabric that's easy to cut, sew, and manipulate, this one is ideal for you. What people say. Durable fabric and a beautiful color. It is not super heavy, so we double the thickness to make the back of a latch hook turned into a pillow. For clothing, this would make great summer wear. This came well packaged, and is lovely cotton fabric. Fabric is exactly what I need, and it is what seller described. Number 3. Erosebridal mushroom fabric, waterproof, DIY, 1 yard. Introducing the Erosebridal mushroom fabric. This adorable fabric features a cute, trippy plant design with an ombre effect. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Made from polyester, this fabric is waterproof and built to last. You can use it for various projects, knowing it's machine washable and dryer safe, and the colors won't fade. This fabric is easy to iron and safe for kids. It's also easy to cut, glue, and manipulate without unraveling or creasing. It's great for all skill levels. Unleash your creativity. This fabric is perfect for DIY projects, helping to develop creativity and hands-on skills. It's a fun way to personalize your space. Use it for chair pads, quilts, cushions, or even outdoor furniture covers. The possibilities are endless. The fabric is suitable for various craft projects and home decorations. Each piece is a continuous 1 yard of fabric, with a width of 59 inches. Get ready to start your next creative project with this versatile fabric. What we like. This fabric features a fun, trippy design that's sure to make a statement. It's also waterproof, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. If you like to add a pop of personality to your home decor or outdoor accessories, you should consider it. What people say. Since fabric store are hard to find, came online to find what I needed and wanted. Found this very colorful outdoor waterproof fabric. Bright and cheery, just what I was looking for. The quality of fabric is top-notch. Great value for the money. This durable waterproof fabric is very soft and easy to sew. The listing photos includes accurate color and I love the fun Halloween print. Great quality fabric. I used it for Jessie and Woody costumes and it was perfect. Nice weight, no flaws, vibrant colors. Number 2. Sunflower fabric, 3D floral upholstery fabric. Introducing the beautiful sunflower fabric. This fabric is perfect for all your crafting needs, offering a touch of floral elegance to any project. Each piece comes in a convenient 1-yard size, with a width of 59 inches. You'll receive separate, continuous yards for each quantity you order. Made from durable polyester, this fabric is waterproof and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It's also machine washable and dryer safe, ensuring easy care. This fabric is easy to iron and safe for kids. It's also easy to manipulate, cut, and glue without unraveling or creasing. The clear image and various style themes are great for home decoration. The DIY craft will develop and improve creativity and imagination, exercise child creativity and hands-on skills. It's perfect for creating chair pads, quilts, and more. Use it for creating chair pads, quilts, cushions, covers, tablecloth, toss pillow, tote bags or heavy-duty travel accessories, patio furniture, boat covers and more. Suitable for your craft project, such as making storage box, purse, shoulder bags, coin bags, keychain, mouse pad. They are also excellent material for making home decorations, such as artificial flowers, tissue boxes, coasters. What we like. This fabric features a beautiful floral print that adds a touch of elegance to any project. It's also waterproof and easy to iron, making it a breeze to work with. If you're looking for a fabric that's both stylish and practical, this is a great choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the dinosaur pattern is absolutely adorable. The fabric is soft, durable, and washes beautifully, making it ideal for baby bedding. Great colors, very detailed. I made a lunch tote with it. It is wearing very well. Number 1. Master FAB cotton fabric, navy with dots. Introducing Master FAB cotton fabric. It's made from 100% combed cotton, ensuring a soft yet durable feel. This fabric is perfect for a variety of projects. Don't let the lightweight fool you. This fabric is tightly woven and surprisingly strong. It's designed to withstand regular use and washing. Each piece is pre-cut to 39 by 55 inches. If you need more, simply order multiple pieces. Keep in mind, the size is not continuous. Made from natural cotton fibers, it's both eco-friendly and comfortable. The fabric is breathable and wicks away moisture, keeping you cool and dry. This fabric is perfect for sewing, crafting, and DIY projects. It's easy to cut, iron, and safe for kids. Use it to create costumes, decorations, and more. Master FAB cotton fabric is easy to clean and maintain. It can handle hot water and ironing, making it ideal for everyday use and sterilization. What we like. This fabric is made from 100% combed cotton, making it soft, comfortable, and breathable. It's also eco-friendly and easy to clean, so you can feel good about your purchase. If you value comfort and sustainability, you should consider it. What people say. Great quality. Very pretty. Very nice fabric. Quite soft. You get a good size piece. This fabric is soft and of good quality and color. Just what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.